stop scrolling. Samsung has just leaked the entire Galaxy S26 Ultra themselves, and the new magnet system might have just killed reverse wireless charging forever. We've got 6 massive, game-changing leaks dropping right now, so let's get straight into it. What's up guys, Z here. Samsung is basically handing us the whole S26 lineup on a silver platter before launch. And today I'm breaking down the 6 biggest updates that are now 100% confirmed thanks to fresh accessories, certifications, and the One UI 8.5 beta. 1 and 2, accessories plus magnet drama. First up, Samsung is going all in on Qi 2 magnets this year. Literally every official accessory, carbon case, silicone, clear case, rugged case, now comes with built-in magnets. Samsung is clearly preparing for a full ecosystem shift similar to Apple's MagSafe. They even announced a brand new gray 5000 mAh magnetic battery pack. It looks clean, snaps on firmly, but here's where things get weird. The pack only outputs 15W, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra supports 25W wireless charging. So you're not getting full performance. And look at this. Samsung had to cut a massive notch into their accessories just to keep them from bumping into the huge camera island. So any third-party magnetic wallets or mounts that don't have that cutout, they won't sit flat. They'll wobble or slide off. You've officially been warned. 3 chargers. Next, Samsung is preparing a new 25W magnetic charger along with a faster 60W wired charger. So speeds are finally going up, but guess what's still not coming in the box? A charger. Classic Samsung move, upgrade everything except what they give us for free. Design confirmed. Then comes the second major bombshell. One UI 8.5 beta accidentally leaked the full design of the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. All 3 phones now have a Fold 7-inspired camera island, perfectly flat edges, and a completely refreshed design language. And yes, it's official, the Edge variant is dead. No more curved displays, no more edge panels. Flat screens only. Leak 5, chipset and reverse charging mystery. Next up, FCC listings confirm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 globally for the Ultra. No Exynos anywhere for this model. But people started celebrating when they saw WPT, thinking reverse wireless charging is returning. With bad news. Every Qi 2 phone has WPT. Google removed reverse charging because of magnets, and Samsung might have done the same. As of right now, reverse wireless charging looks gone. Leak 6, S26 and S26 Plus save. Finally, for S26 and S26 Plus buyers, good news. Reports out of Korea say Exynos 2600 yields are terrible. So only South Korea gets Exynos. The rest of the world? Snapdragon again. Honestly, thank God. Every Galaxy S26 model will ship with One UI 8.5 right out of the box, and the beta is already live for S25 users. I've installed it, and it brings 25 crazy new features. Card on screen. Tap it and check that video next. Smash like if you're hyped for the S26 series, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on.